Keeping your pool water crystal clear starts with proper filtration. In this tutorial, we're covering how to replace the sand in your Hayward sand filter, a simple process that helps keep your pool running efficiently. Start by turning off your pump and setting your shutoff valves to the off position to stop water flow. If you don't have shutoff valves, place a Hayward cap in the skimmer and return to stop water flow. Using a screwdriver, remove the bolts on each end of the C-clamp and set it aside. Carefully detach the multiport valve from the lateral assembly and place it to the side. Next, remove the drain cap from the bottom of the tank to let all the water drain out. Now it's time to remove the old sand. You can scoop it out manually or use a shop vac to speed up the process. Once the tank is empty, fill it about 1/3 of the way with water to help protect the laterals from damage when adding new sand. Cover the lateral assembly with a cardboard sand shield or a cup to keep sand from entering the center pipe. Slowly pour the new sand into the tank, filling it about 3/4 of the way. Reconnect the multiport valve by inserting the lateral assembly into the port at the bottom of the valve head. Push the multiport valve down and carefully align both pieces of the C-clamp with the valve head and towards the tank. Insert the screws on each end and tighten securely. Before you finish, make sure the valve is in the filter position. And that's it. Your Hayward sand filter is ready to keep your pool water clean and clear. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out other pool maintenance guides or contact your local Great Escape pool experts. We're always happy to help.